So I've just recently bought my business partner out the cleaning company. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to double my ad spend on Google. And this year, my full focus is on the cleaning industry. No shiny objects, anything. It's just purely my cleaning company and buying other businesses. No crypto, no forex. No.
Focus, man. Just focus. and is it on like winning more commercial clients? And if so, like what type of commercial clients are you going after?
Purely just commercial for me now. I will still do the one-off deep cleans because we've got girls there at work 9 to 5. But in deep cleans, it's quite profitable. No pressure washing, gutters, carpets, or anything like that. It's all one-off deep cleans and commercial clients in large offices, doctor surgeries, salons, things like that. That's where we're focused now.
So look, obviously, since you have refocused, and even I guess before you got distracted by a shiny object, like clearly your business was on quite a growth trajectory, right? It was quite on a growth path. So what do you think, in your experience, what does it take to like grow a successful cleaning business?
If you want to grow your business, I believe you need to take a step away and work on the business. A lot of people, if you're starting your cleaning company, they'll do what I've done. You'll be working 9 to 5 and doing everything yourself because you're afraid if you bring somebody on, you're losing 30 grand a year and you can't afford to do that. But your business will never grow, I believe, if you don't take that step and work on the business, not in the business. If you're spending 5 hours in the office, you get ideas are flowing and new things pop up. You can work on your systems and processes. You can't do that if you're constantly cleaning.
And when did you have that realization? Was it when you came back to cleaning, or was it before you left, when your mum was doing more of the admin stuff?
It's when I came back after I got my mum involved. My mum came, did the admin stuff about 1.5 years ago. So it's not that long ago, 2021, the end of 2021, that's when my mum came in and did the admin stuff. And that's when I've completely changed my mindset, my focus.
And how have you gone about building your team since then? Like, talk me through, the rest of your support network. What does that look like?
So I've got, say my mum works in the office, she does all the admin, the invoices and things like that. I've got a couple of supervisors. One will do the rota and stuff, and I've got another, and go out and check the cleaners and check in with clients. And now I'm training the supervisor to be like a more managerial role, who's going to go out and price the jobs for me as well. So sometimes I'll still go out and price the big commercial jobs because I feel as if I'm the best person to sell the business. So the steps I'm taking now is my supervisor will be going out, or manager now, she'll be going out pricing the jobs. Julie will be running the business. And I'm going to bring in another supervisor for the next couple of weeks. So I'm completely hands off and focusing on buying other businesses.